One is VideoRobot comes with over 300 different templates loaded into the app. Now, these are 100 kinetic motion animation templates, 100 whiteboard video templates, and 100 of 3D animation avatar video templates. And the cool part of this is every single detail has been done for them for these templates, meaning we have the transition set up already. We have the actual work done, meaning the actual voiceovers, the audio that is fully professionally done. And on top of that, we actually have the transitions and the animations and the text effects already done. All the user has to do is follow 6 simple steps to create them and edit any element of it. You want to remove a text effect, you can do so. You want to add another text effect, you can do so. And it is mind-boggling how quickly you can do it. And that's what I'll be showing you really quickly off the bat in this video, so you can really right off the bat create awesome videos really quickly. Now, on top of that as well, right, if I click on the create video option, there is, yes, you can create 3D avatar videos. The templates are right here, you can choose them. You have kinetic animation templates and also whiteboard animation templates built in, 300 plus of these, right, built in into the app. Now on top of that as well, we've introduced something that's never been done before, absolutely a breakthrough, called the blank template, the blank canvas really. And the blank canvas, which is denoted right here as blank template, allows users to go beyond a template as well, meaning they can immediately create their own animations, effects, import videos of their own from any source, importing images of their own, and use our library of text effects and animations and all kinds of cool tools that are built in to create their own video from scratch if they choose to do so, right? So that gives a flexibility here, right? Yes, you can create awesome videos and using the templates that we have, but also gives that extra flexibility if you choose to go beyond the templates and you want to create videos from scratch as well, meaning sales videos, promo videos, kinetic animation videos, or even 3D and avatar videos and whiteboard videos, and you want to do it in a custom way on your own, you can do that with that option. And however, that gives you 2 different users that we are targeting here, right? Because we've listened to the customer feedback. Folks want to create videos really quickly, but also on the other hand, some folks also want to have the flexibility of creating videos that they choose to from scratch. And the great part is, and I'll be showing you that right now, that is really cool, is every element that is built in, right? For example, let's go back to the kinetic animation templates, right? So let me show you a few examples on that one. So if you just click on that and click next right here, and for example, that we have all these hundreds and hundreds of templates that you see here right now, and as you can see here, we can go on and on and on. Pretty cool, right? And as an example, let's say we wanna choose one of the templates here, right? Any niches. We've chosen all the niches that folks wanna get into, all the hottest niches, by the way. We've done all the research. These are the hottest niches online as well as offline right now that folks are really interested in, that folks really wanna get into, and businesses are really interested in getting videos done for these actual niches, right? And willing to pay. For example, right here, we have an actual animation video where it is for a CPA, right? An accounting firm. So if you click preview here.
Whether you need help with your personal taxes, small or large corporation taxes, or you just need a reliable professional CPA or accountant, you've come to the right place.
Now, 3 important aspects here. The first one, the complete background can be changed, okay? So there's no need to have a static background. You can change the background completely the way you choose to. You can change the text effects as well, by the way. Of course, you can use the one built in, and you can change and add a company logo and change where you want to have it displayed. Let's say you want to have it displayed to the right, you can do so. Or as you can see here to the left, you can do that as well. And on top of that, right, you're not confined to the actual video being the same way as it is here. You can add additional text towards the end or towards the beginning. You can do whatever you want. Full flexibility on editing this template, right? And on top of that, let's say we go back, right? And we go really quickly back. And if we go back to the actual creative video process, you can also choose whiteboard animation template. Now, every single template, by the way, comes with a male and a female voiceover, right? We've done all the work, we've paid all the money for a copywriter to write this actual description in terms of what kind of transitions to set up, the text and all that good stuff. And on top of that, we also paid a professional voiceover artist to do that process, meaning to record a professional audio that will be beautiful and really professional looking, right? On top of that, folks can also create whiteboard animation videos, 100 templates of these, by the way. And as an example, if we go for a niche like so, again, as you can see here, we have a male voice and a female voice. So I click on the female option. As you can see here, I can just click preview.
Looking for a local childcare service to care for your son or daughter while you're at work? If so, you've come to the right place. Our childcare staff is fully trained, qualified, and have years of experience working with children of all ages.
So as you can see here, beautiful and looks professional, and every single element is again editable, completely customizable, and that gives extreme flexibility. Right now, let's go back and let me show you something even better, even much cooler. All right, and that is right our revolutionary 3D avatar video templates that are built in, by the way. And this allows you, again, 100 of these templates comes with a male and female as well. You see that options? We have female avatars as well here for many niches. So you have full flexibility here. So for example, let's just say, right, we want this particular template. Let's just click preview.
Are you looking to buy or sell a vehicle anytime soon? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the top local auto dealership, and we can get you the best car for your specific needs.
Pretty cool, right? Now let me show you how to quickly and easily create the exact same video that you've seen in 6 simple steps. So all you have to do is select this option right here for this template. You see that checkbox right there, the blue one? Click next. And then right here, it's automatically selected the avatar I've chosen there. So let me give you an example. If you go to the next page, right? As you can see, it selected that person, that 3D avatar with a suit on, right? And so if you want to choose another avatar and have it fully lip sync, by the way, automatically by the software with no lag or no latency, you can choose any avatar you could choose to. But for now, I'll leave it default. I'll click next. All right, and we'll be taken over to this page. Now, here is the cool part. All the avatars have a female and a male option, as I mentioned before, in each of the templates for the 3D avatars, and they already come with the ready-made professional voiceover included as a standard, right? And a standard feature. So now, when you click play, you see here, you can preview it right off the bat.
Are you looking to buy or sell a vehicle?
So as you can see here, and you can on top of that use the text to speech option as well. Meaning, let's say you do not want to use any of the ready-made voiceovers, you want to use text to speech and customize it even further and that sort of thing. You can use our world's best text to speech engine, right? It includes many dozens of different languages and accents and so on, and really on the fly you can have it also translated using the auto translate feature that's available within the app here. So let's say you want to create an actual text to speech in, let's say, Spanish or French or German or whatever language you choose to, you can do that right here choosing the auto translate by typing in whatever you want to have translated and then convert it into text to speech, right? On top of that, you also have the option of record an audio, meaning right within the app you can record your own voiceover if you choose to, or you can even use the media library option to upload a voiceover of your own or someone else's that you probably paid some in Fiverr or somewhere else, right? You can upload it right here using the media library option. Or you can also, with one checkbox, use a background music score right here, or you can disable it if you don't want to have any background music. Simple as that, right? I'll keep it disabled for now. Then let's click next step, right? And as I mentioned, it's asking me to choose an option. I'm going to choose the voiceover option for the time being. I'll click next. And right here you can choose a logo if you want to choose a logo for a business or a brand, and you can choose the logo position, where you want to have it left or right. Again, you can customize it even further once you go into the next step, and that's the cool part. I'll show you that in a second. You can have the background changed as well. Again, we have an array of backgrounds that you can see here. You can change and modify even further or put your own background, which sets it apart from any other video app out there. And then you can have the contact information and the company name and that sort of thing here. And let's go next step, right? here is where the cool part begins. Right here, we have a full preview of every single animation, every single template ready to go. And each element is fully customizable. Right here, we can, for example, add our own media. Let's say you want to add your own images and so on and so forth. You can do that right here using the media tab. And then we have also option with text. As you can see here, I can add text right here, change the font and so on, and really move it anywhere within the screen. On top of that, I also have intro animations like you see here, and a lot of them, by the way, cool ones. And we have outros right up if you want to have a call to action right at the end of this particular video. We also have lower third animations, right? Pretty cool ones. And you can also use the text animations, meaning the transitions. Again, each of them you can preview, by the way, right off the bat. So let's say I want to have this really cool text animation where somebody's writing in with a pen, right? As you can see here, any text I want to do, I can choose that as well. And you also have really cool, as you can see here, text effects, meaning you can have all kinds of text transitions, effects, and so on for any kind of text you want to have for the video. The transitions are really beautiful, and you can preview each of them like so, and you can even further have the colors changed and all that good stuff, right? And if we go even further, you also have the whiteboard animations that you can do. Yes, you can do the whiteboard animations within any template, right? And that makes it even more powerful, where, for example, you want to keep things more exciting, you can do that as well. For example, you want to add this logo reveal as a whiteboard animation, you can do that as well in this template. You have that flexibility. Now to your right, you have all the elements here, the background, the contact information, right? I can just click edit, and boom, I can change the color of it, the background color. I can change the text color. Right now it shows as white. I can change it completely. I can change the font here, right? I can change, as you can see here, any element, and I can click apply, and boom, it changes over immediately. And I can preview any section as I choose to. I can forward it. I can then preview which part of the video that I just made any change to right off the bat, right? And so as you can see here, I can change any element. I can move, for example, I can move this person to the right, left, center. I can do that as well. I can click apply, and it'll automatically show you the preview. And on top of that, any element like text and so on, I can do and make changes to the specific text. And here's where it gets even cooler, right? We're not really stopping just right there. You can even, for example, let's say you want to add something else to the end, right? We can do that. For example, let's say you want to add another outro at the end of this video, right? I can just click on it, right? I can just click on it, click next, and I can choose any colors and all that good stuff. I can click next. I can choose the duration, how long I want it to be, and boom, I can click add. And as you can see here, right here at the end, it's showing up right here. As you can see here, it shows right here Facebook, and you want as add as at the end of this video to Facebook and outro, right? A call to action. Right here, you can do that, and you can add any kind of additional text effects, any kind of additional sales stuff that you want to add. For example, let's say you want to add additional text, additional images, and so on, or additional transitions. You can do that right here. You're not confined with the length of the video, so you can add and edit things to your heart's desire, really. And that's super powerful, right? And then at the end, you just click on the create movie option, and boom, you are done. You have your beautiful video created really quickly, by the way, because we are using the exact technology that is backing Google's own cloud servers, right? So that's why it's going to be super fast and super quickly. You'll have your video ready to go. And so as you can see, VideoRobot is super powerful, and that's what makes it so exciting, an exciting project for us to work on, and an exciting project for me to share it with you. So thanks again for watching this video, and look forward to seeing you on the inside.